Hello everyone, myself MS Bhagavadimal, Assistant Professor from AEDS Department, CRA 332 Drone Technologies, Unit-4. Topic name is Drones in Agriculture. Drones are transforming agriculture by providing farmers with a fast, efficient and cost-effective way to monitor and manage their crops, soil and livestock. Here are some key applications and benefits of using drones in agriculture. Crop monitoring and health assessment. Multispectral imaging, that is drones equipped with multispectral cameras can capture images that reveal crop health, stress levels and even nutrient deficiencies. Then easy pest detection. Drone imaging can detect signs of pest investigations early, allowing for prompt action and reducing the need for widespread pesticide use. Then precision agriculture. Variable rate application. Drones can help optimize the application of inputs like water, fertilizer and pesticide. Then targeted spraying. Some drones are designed for precision spraying, enabling targeted applications of pesticide, herbicide or fertilizers. This help reduce cost and limit chemical use. Then soil and field analysis, 3D mapping and topography. Drones can create detailed map of field topography, which can help in planning irrigation and assessing field slope. Then soil composition and moisture content. By analyzing crop growth patterns and soil conditions, drones help identify areas of the field with different moisture level, aiding in optimized irrigation planning. And irrigation management, detecting water stress. Thermal sensor and drones can identify water stress by detecting temperature variations in plant, indicating areas that need more or less water. Then flood and drainage assessment. Drones can quickly survey field to identify areas prone to flooding or poor drainage, allowing farmers to implement preventive measures. Then livestock monitoring. Herd monitoring. Drones equipped with thermal imaging can help locate animals in large postures, monitor their movement and check for sign of illness or injury. Then grazing pattern analysis. By tracking livestock movement, farmers can manage grazing patterns to prevent overgrazing in certain areas. Yield prediction and harvest planning. Yield estimation. By assembling plant health and density, drones can predict crop yield and help farmers with planning their harvest logistics. Then harvest management. Drones can assist in identifying the optimal harvest time by analyzing crop maturity, helping ensure the best quality and yield. Then benefits of using drones in agriculture: cost savings, increased yield, then sustainability, time efficiency. Challenges and considerations: cost of technology, then data management regulations. Thank you.